City Stars ko.
Hi guys.
How are you? Hello everyone! Welcome to my vlog. Ngayon guys, magbablog na naman tayo. Pupunta kami ng school para kay Malik. May interview siya ngayon, kaya pupunta kami ngayon dun. Again,
I take more
just say hi
toys.
guys first. One
Hi
minute.
guys.
Welcome to my channel.
Welcome my channel. I take small toys.
Where are you going today?
I'm going to school.
You're going to school?
Yes. And Daddy said that he will come to me. Stay with me in school.
Okay.
But Daddy's not here.
Where is your daddy?
He's over there.
Where?
And just look. He's over there.
Okay.
He will come. And I'm they are the superheroes.
Okay.
They can fly.
Everyone,
Watch
dito
them,
kami ngayon,
Mama.
guys.
Watch them how they fly.
Ah.
Mama.
Nandito kami ngayon, guys. Hindi ako pumasok kasi pupunta kami ng school. Ma-interview si Malik para ma-enroll na rin siya. Kaya, ayan. Nagpa-xerox pa si Abu Malik ng passport niya. Tsaka civil ID. Kaya,
I press this red button.
don't press it.
Why?
Hinihintay pa namin si Abu Malik kasi nagpa-xerox pa siya ng passport niya tsaka yung civil ID niya, guys. Kasi kailanganin. Kaya ayan, pupunta kami doon ngayon. Kaya abangan natin yung interview mamaya ni Malik, guys.
Daddy.
Ayan, guys, kasi yung kakailanganin nila, requirements nila, guys.
Mama,
is,
I will hide. You see, where are you, Malik? Tell.
Passport ni Malik,
Mama.
passport ko, passport
Mama.
ni daddy niya, tsaka
Mama.
civil ID ko, civil
Mama.
ID ni Malik.
Mama, I tell Malik is here. Tell him.
Yun, guys. Tapos yung ano niya, yung birth certificate, tsaka
Mama.
ano tawag nito, yung
Mama. You think
yung immunization,
Mama.
immune niya.
Mama.
Why will you go, Ahmad? Jilib or Jabria?
لا جيب.
Why, I think it's okay in Jilib, it's not in Jabria, it's okay.
We go in Jabriya first check.
I don't know, it's up to you. Which one you want to first check?
Jabriya it's okay for because you know how too much is crowded in morning.
How many?
Daddy.
We check in Jabriya يعني.
Daddy.
I don't know. That's why I'm asking you what it's easy for you. Jabria or it's in Jilib? Because see, Malik, when he goes school, it's up to you. Which one? Where it's easy for you. You can come when they need you, you can go directly.
Oh yeah.
Jilib also morning. I don't know
Let's
which.
check. We check this one. We check. We make interview now in Jalib. Then I check in Jabriya tomorrow. This one, okay?
But I cannot take it
No problem.
every day, always. I
Nice,
take leave.
don't worry.
There was that truck.
So that's
Just
why if
okay.
you have time today, then we can go one time only, not going back again.
Nice, okay. Okay.
I'm going down, up, down,
Up down, okay.
straight down. Mama, no, Daddy, straight left.
Straight left, yeah, okay.
So I'm moving that way.
Okay. You are right. I go straight then I take left then you are right.
Ayan guys, ngayon hindi ako naka-hijab. Yan ang makulit na bata.
الخروج من الدوار.
Sa Jilib daw pala kami pupunta, guys. Kaya ayan.
خلاص عشان we finish and we go Jabriya direct, okay? So we can pay because you are off today better. And we select this one or this one?
Yeah, say hi with them, Malik. Hi, Malik.
Hi.
Hmm.
Okay, which I'll choose? The City Star School or
City Star School. Malik, I will slap you. Only your mind, only toys, ha? City Star, guys. Kasi yun yung
City
mga
Star
toys.
School? Sino ano, Malik? City Star School.
Sinabihan niya ako, you should select, Mami. Where is City School or...
Wala.
What, Malik? What do you want?
the City Star School? I will choose which I will choose.
Huh?
I will choose my school or the City Star, the City Star School.
Why?
City Star
Which
School?
one?
Which one?
Which one you like it?
School only, my school, the City Star School.
Okay, that's good.
Only Daddy and Mama like City Star School.
Okay.
Why? Why you like your school?
Because I like Daddy, Mama see yellow dangerous.
Yes. Why you like school? What do you want in the school?
Vehicles like cranes, toy cranes,
Huh?
toy cranes.
Okay, but I'm asking you, why you like school?
Because I like
What you like there? Why what is that there in the school?
crane, toy crane. The teacher would give me when I write my name. It's it's in the box. He will give me.
But in the school they are not allow you to play there.
Because they have toys more inside, Malik, there.
There's no allowed to play.
You know my friend,
Motor, Daddy.
he said, I said,
Daddy.
what? What?
So this motor is in school.
Not allowed because they have more there. You play with your friends inside there in the school, and you have a course, lesson. You take this one. They said every day they give him homework. You know, you should study good, yani Malik.
And where is my book?
We buy from this one. It's still the school not start. And you should wear your uniform of the school, okay?
The uniform?
Yeah, uniform.
What?
And we buy your bag also. You take it to water and your books inside and your food also, okay?
Okay. It's something you forgot.
No?
Forgot something.
What I forgot?
You forgot my salad.
My what?
Salad.
What my salad?
Salad. What
Sa-
salad?
Salad is like my food. Like
My salad. Salad.
salad is strong. I will eat it.
You did not eat salad.
Daddy, go faster. That car is very fast.
But the kid hold the chair, huh?
I hold.
يلا شاطر good.
Ati.
Yeah, please. Road clinic.
Or clinic.
And Malik.
What?
Malik, I'm talking to you. What it's in the school? Why you like school?
Because I love.
What you love?
I love many friends to play with them with toys.
But you should study also, not only playing.
But there they are not allow you to play.
Because you have more homework every day, okay? Teacher give you homework and ask you later on for this one. So you should study good, okay?
Daddy, we're in the bridge.
Now we go down now for bridge. We go bridge again now.